Careful. Sincere. What'd she say?
Don't call me no more then. Down here. She never said nothing.
Yes, they are real. They put them in there.
So how did they capture the fishies?
You see? It's pretty.
Yeah.
Look at the eyes. Look at his lips. Look, he's trying to come for the camera. Yes, I got you in here. That yellow one's real pretty. I know, right? It's pretty. This one's over here like, yeah. Hey guys, so we are at the beach in Galveston right now. Today is June the 13th, 2020. I'm with the fam here. And we're about to go on the pier. This pier, right here. Where's her shoes? Yeah.
I think every knee will be good for this.
Sure.
It's rocky.
And I'm gonna have to try to climb up somehow. Put your shoes on, Miracle. Oh, what is that?
It's shrimp.
Oh, shrimp.
Yes, ma'am. Everything in here is shrimp. All right, y'all step back for 1 second. I want to hit y'all with this hook.
Okay. Y'all watch out.
Okay, right there.
Woo!
That's the one. That's good. That's a good one there. All right, there you go.
Look, reel it, Miracle. Grab it. Grab it, Miracle.
Yeah, that's a fish on there.
Reel it in.
Reel it in.
Yeah.
Reel it. See if you
Reel
feel
it.
fish.
Yeah, girl, get it.
Yeah, keep reeling.
Miracle about to catch a fish.
Oh, got a one.
Woo! Look, Miracle.
Reel it a little more. Keep reeling.
Keep reeling it in.
Keep reeling. All right, that's good right there. You
Look
like
at it.
That's your first fish right there. You want a picture?
Look at it, Miracle.
Watch them hooks down.
Yeah, it'll stab.
You want to touch the fish? I can take him off. You can hold him.
She's like, ew.
My son over there, he's scared you won't hold him. But if you want, I can take him up. You can hold him. Take a picture. Nah, he'll lie.
No.
He's not going to bite you, I promise. You want to hold him?
Yeah.
You do? That's what I'm talking about.
Hold it. Hold it. It's not going to bite or nothing.
Look, you can poke him first.
No, he gonna squirm.
With two hands.
You can touch him first. Look, just touch him. And see, he can't hurt you. All right, now I'm going to let you have him, okay?
Two hands, Miracle.
You don't want to do it? All right, you don't have to do it. Oh, now I'll just cameo, y'all. And I'll
Look at it.
I'll take a picture.
It's Rainbow. Thank you so much.
And if you want, you can throw him back.
You want to throw him in, Miracle?
Throw him back in the water if you want.
You have to throw it
You
far.
don't have to, though, but you can if you want to.
Ew, it's not blood.
You got blood on him? Yeah, all right.
You gotta hurry up and do it before you die.
Yeah, Miracle.
This is your first fish. You take your time. If you want to hold him, you can wait a few minutes to hold him or whatever you want to do.
I'd rather hold him with a cloth.
With a claw? You know what? That's a good idea. Y'all pass me that towel, please?
Yeah.
That's a great idea. All right, now put your hand under there, under the bottom. And you hold him tight so he don't get away. Hold him
Woo!
tight. There you go.
Good job,
There
Miracle.
you own.
Yeah. Don't let it fall.
I'm sorry, y'all see opportunities like that, man, and kids will never forget stuff like that, man.
I know. And it's going on her YouTube channel too,
Oh,
so
you got a YouTube channel?
yeah.
Follow you. I ain't got my phone on me now, but what's her name on YouTube?
Miracle's Playground.
Miracle Playground?
Yeah.
Cool.
Do a lot of kids songs and stuff.
I'm going to follow you, Miracle. How old
Look,
are you?
smile.
How old is she? About to be 7? Yep.
You mean about to be 8?
That's a good time to catch your first fish. If she anything like me, she's going to be hooked now. You have to bring it down all the time.
You want to throw it back?
I want to go to camera. You want me to throw them back or you want to do it? All right, I'll throw them back for you, okay? You want to kiss them goodbye? Now I'm just playing. No problem, man. Y'all have a good one, all right?
Thank you.
I can't wait till mine can do it.
I know.
She passed that, right?
I know, I see.
She talking about you multitasking.
I know. I was like, look at him multitasking with a baby and he fishing. He not letting nothing stop his show.
This one, she ain't going to have no choice.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. Y'all want to fish? I'm going to pull this one in so it's not your way. I'm going to pull this rod in for you so it's not your way. Yeah. Yeah, man, I don't get the whole thing. I'll put it over here somewhere so it's not that way.
I know. Miracle caught a fish. Me and my son at Galveston, y'all. Michael, record us a little bit.
You got it on video already? Yeah, you got it on video.
Gotta fix my hair. You ready? Look.
It's recording
Me and
already.
my son at Galveston, y'all. It's June 13th, 2020. And we are, look at this. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful. Happy. My son's first time. He didn't want to come. I had to drag him out the house. Aren't you happy I brought you? Yeah. Exactly. It's fun, son.
And then when we get done eating, guess what you can do?
Get in the water.
Get in the water.
Yes. Okay. Good. Let's go. Ugh. We are at Rainforest Cafe, YouTube, Facebook, wherever y'all are watching this at. But we are at Rainforest Cafe, waiting on our food.
It just ended. It was very
This is what I'm having at Rainforest Cafe. Larry's having the same thing. What Miracle's eating? Macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes. Kevin. That burger looks nice. Sincere. Sincere.
That looks good though, Mike.
And Mike. That does look good. I like Sincere's too. It's good, y'all. Yep.
I thought it was going to explode.
So we are at the beach, guys. We are actually getting in the water this time. Ooh, when I tell you, Sincere, not too far. Sincere, not too far. Let's see how far she could stand up. I was trying to say, don't go too far with her. Kevin, you know how to swim? No, you don't. So y'all don't want to go too far. Although you can see some people stand in the water, sometimes there's drops in the water, so y'all got to be careful. Because if, oh, my knee. Because if you try to figure it out, if you sit still, do you see your feet dripping into the sand?
No.
You don't feel your feet sinking into the sand?
I'm too late.
Okay.
No, I don't see my feet drifting in the sand.
Well, it does a little bit sometimes.
That's not too crazy.
The sand, the sun.
First time at the beach. What y'all think?
How far can I go? That's what I think.
Go ahead. Oh, you don't want to go too far. If the water starts getting up here, that's when the current can start pulling you. What did they say?
The waters are getting a little rough, aren't they?
Yeah. I don't know what they said. Did they say to get out the water? Why is everybody getting out the water? Well, I guess not everybody, just them. Don't splash my phone. Hey, that's a good idea. Huh? What is he saying? What was that guy saying over there? Huh? Oh. It's cold at first.
One more.
Great time at the beach with the kids. They're loving it. My kids, well, Kevin is Kevin is brother-in-law. There's Sincere, there's Miracle.
Get out of the water with that pump. You're gonna totally flood this water. So,
still having fun. June 13th. It's 8:17 p.m. Really, Miracle? Is that the crying face, Miracle? Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.